Module 2, ML Lifecycle and Pipeline. Module Overview. The ML lifecycle has 6 stages. Automating these into pipelines is MLOps foundation. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will map 6 stages of ML lifecycle. Understand data training inference pipelines. Define orchestration and why it matters. Avoid training serving skew. Design scalable, fault-tolerant pipelines. Lesson 2.1, 6 stages of ML lifecycle. Stage 1, problem definition, weeks 1 to 2. Business problem, what are we predicting? Success metric, how do we measure success? Data inventory, what's available? Baseline, what does current solution achieve? Example, predict customer churn, 90 days. Metric, precision greater than or equal to 80%. Data, 18 months customer activity. Baseline, 60% precision. Stage 2, data ingestion and exploration, weeks 3 to 4. Extract from databases, APIs, files. Understand distributions, quality issues. Document sources and freshness requirements. Example, gather account age, purchase frequency, support tickets. Discover 2% missing values in last_login field. Stage 3, data preparation and feature engineering, weeks 5 to 8. Clean, handle missing values, outliers. Transform, apply domain logic, days_since_purchase. Derive, create engagement_score equals, frequency times 0.5, plus, support times 0.3, plus, logins times 0.2. Stage 4, model training and experimentation, weeks 9 to 12. Train multiple algorithms. Hyperparameter tuning. Evaluate on test set, never train validation. Select champion. Example, logistic reg, 78%, random forest, 84%, XGBoost, 88%, neural net, 85%, XGBoost wins. Stage 5, model validation and testing, weeks 13 to 14. Cross-validation. Fairness testing, bias across demographics. Explainability, why does it predict churn? Shadow mode, predictions without using them. Stage 6, deployment, monitoring, continuous improvement, ongoing. Canary release, 5% traffic first. Monitor accuracy in production. Collect actual outcomes. Trigger retraining when drift detected. Plan retirement. Lesson 2.2, Pipeline Architecture, 3-layer model. Layer 1, data pipeline input, raw data process, ingestion, validation, transformation output, feature table. Owner, data engineers frequency, daily. Layer 2, training pipeline input, feature table process, split, train, tune, evaluate output, model artifact plus metrics. Owner, ML engineers frequency, daily weekly. Layer 3, inference pipeline input, new data plus model process, same transformations as. Training, predict output, predictions. Owner, ML engineers frequency, real-time or batch. Critical, transformations must be identical in training and inference. Mismatch equals production failures. Lesson 2.3, Orchestration Tools. What? Automation of dependent tasks in correct sequence. Why? In ML, many tasks depend on others. Orchestration removes manual handoffs. Popular tools. Airflow, flexible, Python, widely adopted. Kubeflow, Kubernetes native, ML optimized. GitHub Actions, lightweight, cloud native. AWS step functions, managed, AWS integrated. Example DAG, directed acyclic graph. Extract data, validate, engineer features, train. Evaluate, deploy canary, monitor. Each arrow equals dependency. Orchestration enforces order. Lesson 2.4, Production Pipeline Considerations. Reproducibility, same inputs, same outputs. Version code plus data plus random seeds. Scalability, Handle growing data volume. Use Spark, Dask, cloud autoscaling. Fault tolerance. Pipelines fail. Implement retries, checkpoints, graceful degradation. Cost efficiency. ML is expensive. Cache results. Use spot instances, schedule off-peak. Pipeline health. Monitor execution time, success rates, data freshness. Alert on anomalies. Case Study 2. Company, SecureBank, $200 billion, fraud detection. Problem, monthly manual model updates. New fraud patterns undetected for weeks. Cost, $8 million per month in fraudulent transactions. Old timeline. Days 1 to 2, manual data extraction. Days 3 to 4, data cleaning. Days 5 to 7, feature engineering. Days 8 to 11, model training. Days 12 to 13, evaluation. Days 14 to 17, deployment wait plus manual deploy. Total, 18 days latency. New timeline, automated. 2 a.m., auto trigger. 2:15 a.m., data extraction. 2:45 a.m., validation. 3:30 a.m., features. 4:30 a.m., training. 5 a.m., evaluation. 5:15 a.m., decision, if accuracy greater than or equal to 94%, deploy. 5:30 to 9:30 a.m., canary plus A/B test. 9:30 a.m., rollout if false positive rate. Module 2 Key takeaways. 6 lifecycle stages must flow. Problem data features training validation deployment. 3 pipelines must align. Data, training, inference. Mismatch causes failures. Orchestration removes manual work and enforces correct task sequencing. Training serving skew is critical risk. Identical transformations required. Reproducibility requires versioning everything: code, data, seeds, environment. Real impact. SecureBank achieved 18x faster detection and 5.7x ROI.